Happy Heritage Day. I'm soon to be a Makoti, so I need to buy dresses. I have another delivery. I like the smell of wine. Cheers. I love it. I love it. I love to say it. That's what I signed up for. Good morning. Guys, I'm so lazy to get out of bed. Like, oh my goodness. It's a Wednesday today. I forgot to upload a video yesterday because I thought it's a Monday. I don't know what's wrong with my mind, but I'm going to upload it today. The biggest thing that I'm excited for is that I'm waiting for a package. Yeah, it's a PR package. So I just woke up right now and I'm checking my emails, and I will talk to you once I'm up. I woke up because I had a submission around 9, so I had to wake up at 7. I'm so tired, like I'm really tired. Yesterday, actually last night, or should I say this morning, I did my braids. Like I started around 12 a.m. I did my braids, and you guys are gonna see my braids when I wake up. I'm so lazy. I don't want to get out of bed today, but we need to work. Guys, good morning. So I'm up right now. I want to eat. I'm having my favorite meal of so I came back from the store and I bought chips, I bought ration, and I bought bread. So that's what I'll be having. I've been craving for this meal since Monday, and today's a Wednesday, by the way. I've been craving for this meal since Monday, and I couldn't eat junk food because I was waist training. So in my head it makes sense that I don't eat junk food when I'm waist training, but I eat junk food when I'm not waist training. I only eat junk food when I'm not waist training. I know it's bad, I know it's like doesn't make sense, but yeah, that's how I programmed myself. So right now I'm just gonna eat, and then I'm going to clean. Yeah, my room is such a mess. Talk yeah, and I'm still waiting for my delivery. I don't know how far it is right now, but yeah, once I'll brought, let me eat. I'm so hungry. It is 10 o'clock. No, I'm lying. It's 10:30. Like, do you know the smell, guys? Okay, so I know I'm having juice in a wine glass, but I broke all my glasses. Like, look at here. This is all that is left, and I love this. This is my favorite. Yeah, this is my favorite. Oh gosh. I have a delivery. Woo! Guys, woo! I just received this big baby over here. It's from Escort. I have no idea what this is, but I'm really happy. So this is the mask that I'll be using. You guys know this mask from my previous vlog. I actually got another one, and also I got myself a dress. Unfortunately, I won't be able to try it on for you guys, but I got myself a dress. I'm soon to be a Makoti, so I need to buy dresses. This one was on sale actually. It went from 600 to 270. Like, so let me just continue folding my clothes. I'm watching Fikile. She just uploaded a video, so I'm watching her video while I wait for my thingy to dry. I'm just gonna wash my hand.
There's pink black girls in my area, cold, dark skin, medium tones, punting braids, got mini afros, thick lips, got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna put us in the media, bro, wanna fat booty like Kardashians, wanna fat booty like my got a yo, we like the blood clot, tell her reload it, I've got the camera, my girls are posing, I need some backup, then my ones are rolling, grown women think I'm just an actress, I'm my own business, I'm never in mess, who am I ain't bae, get a slice of the cake, want a house with a view, and a new pair of shoes, keep it real from the jump, and she gang, little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kicks, little snare, little lies, big truths, do you, they don't care, do you, they don't care, get your ass at the box and build up on there, I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean, I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean and
so I just finished doing my face and I'm about to record a YouTube video. Hi guys, so I just shot a video. I didn't manage to shoot the other one, but I only managed to take one video. Yeah, and I think that's fine, because if I continue or if I force myself to record another video, it's just going to be a mess, because I'm tired already. I'm not naked, I'm wearing this DIY top. I was taking pictures like for Heritage Day. Guys, today is the 22nd of September. Heritage Day is like on Friday. On Friday it's Heritage Day. I don't know why my eyes look like I'm tired, but oh yeah, I am tired, but I could if I get to comba. I will. So yeah, it's Heritage Day on Friday, and happy Heritage Day. Yeah, happy Heritage Day, guys. I don't know when you're going to see this, but yeah, I think I'm gonna end this on Friday and I'm gonna post this on Friday. So yeah, man, right now I just want to drink some wine and just toast to, I don't know to what, but I just want to drink. Ngifuna ukunxila ndilahleke. So I'm having some wine. Guys, I want to drink. Ngifuna ukunxila. I don't know. Is that how they say it? Oh, is that how they say it? Oh, I don't know why I thought. Okay, yeah. Ndifuna ukunxila ndilahleke ndingazazi mntana. I like the smell of wine. I really love the smell of wine. Yes, cheers. Cheers to us. I don't know what we did, but cheers to us. Okay guys, so I just want to put you down and then we'll talk. Oh my gosh, this thing doesn't want to stand. What's wrong with you? Okay, so yes, cheers to a successful YouTube channel. We're on a road to we're on a road to 700 subscribers. I don't even know how many subscribers I have. Okay, I have 782 subscribers. So yeah, we're on a road to 800. My goal for this year was to reach 800, and I think we're going to do that. We're going to reach 800 before the end of this year, and we're going to reach more than 800 which is amazing. Like, I really love you guys. You guys really mean a lot to me. Yeah, cheers to more brand collaborations. Seeing the family grow each and every day, it's just so amazing. And yes, right now, I just backed myself another campaign. So at first I used to get like those campaigns that don't, like, you won't get paid for them. I used to get those kind of campaigns, where you don't get paid, you just get free things. But now, baby, we are now starting to make money out of social media, and it's amazing. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love to say it. That's what I signed up for. So cheers to more of that. Okay, I just had to take a big sip because yeah, I can. Right now, what I want to do is, I feel like the vlog is long already, but I think I'll end it here for today.
The next morning.
Good morning. Ooh. Guys, I just finished writing, and the courier guy just called me saying that he's nearby, so I have another delivery. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so exciting. Like, this week is all about deliveries. And we go, I think he's here. So yeah, let me go collect my parcel. I'll show you guys what I got in a minute. Woo, my delivery is here. Oh, second delivery for the day, for the week. Second delivery for the week is here, and yeah, I think this is the last delivery that I'll be getting this week. So I think this is from Avon. Thingy. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Gosh, this is so cool. If you wanna see everything in detail, just follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and then I will talk to you guys later. I'm late for an online class, a whole 15 minutes.
Sure. Coming in this way. Look, I'm like, Tuesday. Wanna hit the new wave. You wouldn't wanna bother stopping me because it's too late.
I can't hear anything. What's going on? So I'm late, but my lecturer is also late. It's gone. Right, so I was supposed to be attending online class right now at 3, but Mugai didn't. The lecturer is not here. I thought I'm late, but seems like he's not here. So let me just show you. Look at this. He is not here. Like,
Later that day.
okay, so I just finished cooking. This is my dinner. Please never mind the presentation. This is my dinner. I'm having rice, sweet corn, chakalaka, and